Hi, I'm Chloe. Thank you for visiting our website. Check out the following short video and find out why our experienced staff is one of the best in our area.
Hello and welcome back to our introduction tutorial of Master Data Governance. My name is Jenny, and today we are going to continue our SAP MDG introductory tutorial. This is very important to understand the basic information of SAP MDG before continuing this video tutorial. If you have not watched the SAP MDG first introduction video yet, please go to our YouTube channel or our website and watch it first, and come back again to continue this video. Alright. So, from our previous tutorial, we already know that. What are the general business challenges that any organizations have in the different organizational levels? How SAP MDG can be useful to overcome those challenges, and a high level of end-to-end system flow of business data, including all intermediate steps, until it became ready to use for any business organizations. In this video, we will go through the main features of SAP Master Data Governance. High-level architecture of SAP MDG. Solution deployment options available in MDG. How SAP MDG operates in the HANA environment. Key benefits of HANA with MDG. Dynamic landscapes of the MDG system, and the Heiler PCM structure of the SAP Master Data Governance system. This is going to be a very interesting and useful session for technical and non-technical SAP MDG business persons. So sit relax, and watch this video till the end. Let's start with main features of SAP Master Data Governance and understand how it is beneficial for any business organizations. SAP MDG has following key features: governance, consistencies, consolidation, flexibility, data quality, data replication, integration, reusability and extensibility. Let's understand all these features one by one. First key feature of SAP MDG is governance itself. This feature enables governance and transparency through complete audit trail in the entire approval process. All the business data changes will be logged in the change request document, and can be audited any point of time. We can easily identify how the requester of master data change. What kind of data changes has been requested, when the change request has been made, and who all are the business persons involved during this data change process. This gives the complete control of business data validation flow, and have clear transparency in the process. We have some additional benefits as well. Separation of duties between change and approval authority is maintained. The workflow-based approval process is linear or distributed process, thus the SRI is routed accordingly. The approvers can be mapped as per the organizational roles and responsibilities and also task authority. On top of that, we have few more as mentioned before. The data in approval process is completely governed. Data in process stored in a separated repository which is called staging area of MDG, and gets transferred to operational database only after final approval from business. All changes are highlighted in Chang. Save changes and unsaved changes in two different colors as you can see on the screen. This helps to support processor to decide about his next action. Now let's discuss about data consistency in SAP MDG. Being a central system, SAP MDG ensured that the data throughout the process is consistent. There is more about data consistency. Any data, either created or changed in the MDG hub system, can be replicated to multiple SAP or non-SAP systems. This eliminates any manual maintenance processes for all kind of master data in the multiple systems, which is likely to be error subject. In another word, we have no chance of data error during the process. Let's take an example of finance master data. In the entire organization, throughout all company codes and chart of accounts, all financial data are consistent like other attributes, such as general ledger accounting data, hierarchies, org units, etc. Similarly, in material master data as well, all the material data such as basic data, general data, sales data, tax data, etc. are consistent throughout the approval process. The another key feature of MDG is consolidation. All the master data is consolidated. There is logic for best record calculation between duplicate data. Also, there is an option to consolidate the data with central governance system. Here you can see the consolidation process flow on the screen. It involves standardize, match, calculate best record, validate, activate. The standardize process in consolidation use the BRF Plus for standardization and enrichment. All the address data is validated and enriched accordingly. For BP data model, HANA Smart Data Quality transforms data to common format to enable matching functions. Consolidation simplify the access to your master data by providing role-specific interface. A typical example you can see on your screen, where the requester make the master data create or change requests, transfer to respective authorized role-specific person only, to validate the relevant data. If it is purchase-related data, then it go to purchasing specialist. In case, if it belongs to finance data, then it goes to finance specialist for the data validation. This secures the validation process. Matching of existing data helps to reduce the redundancy in the master data records in the organization. Duplicates are found based on the customer-specific matching rules created. SAP HANA Fuzzy Search ensures high detection quality in search and matching, based on customer-specific rule sets. Here you can see some example on the screen. Validation in consolidation process plays a very important role in SAP MDG. System check correctness of new, best, and updated records. It validate best records against back-end customizing, to verify whether records can be activated. Validate against central governance checks like BADI, BRF Plus, etc. Activation provide consolidated master data for analytical or operational use. Activation can be done by two ways. Direct activation. Activation initiating in the central governance, with change request. SAP Master Data Governance system provides a very flexible environment to work with different kind of landscape. The standard models delivered by SAP can be easily extended as per the client's requirements. Also, custom data models can be created and used based on business need. Although MDG has native integration in SAP solutions, there is flexibility to integrate easily to non-SAP environments. It reuses the data model, business logic, and configuration for validation. All changes are highlighted on the screen. Saved changes and unsaved changes shows in two different colors, as we have already seen in the previous screen. T is also flexible to be used with Ariba and Hybris PCM system. SAP MDG most important key feature is to maintain data quality of the business master data. System prevent creation of duplicates, for increased effectiveness and efficiency. It also checked early, and embedded in the process. High detection quality of matching, using enterprise search, or SAP data services. It also reuse of existing validation logic in ERP for data validation. It has the feature of automatic address enrichment. Another key advantage of SAP MDG is replication facility. Replication can be automatic or manual replication to SAP and non-SAP systems. System has different replication techniques, and it works on data replication framework. MDG system is flexible enough to replicate selected data only to a specific client system by defining filters, which is controlled by DRF. It also supports the different object IDs or customizing keys between hub and client systems. It has error monitoring and error handling feasibility. Integration is another key feature of SAP Master Data Governance system. SAP MDG provides integrated object model, out-of-the-box delivery of proven data models across various master data domains. As you can see on the screen, there are different organizational models with which SAP MDG can be enhanced. Financials data model, which includes GL, cost element and hierarchy, cost center and hierarchy, profit center or hierarchy. Material master, supplier and customer, which comes under business partner data model. Enterprise asset management, retail and fashion management. In SAP MDG, reusability and extensibility provides a very significant benefits. We can reuse existing data structures and functionality of SAP Business Suite. We can also extend data structures. This provide easy to use extensibility and capabilities for enhancing nodes and fields for data models, user interfaces, processes, and data replication. Now we will understand the high-level architecture of SAP Master Data Governance. MDG is delivered as a business function within SAP ECC system, with multiple available key options, like deployment as standalone hub, or on top of existing ERP instance. Optional embedding of HANA Search. Replication into various applications including S4 HANA, as you can see on the screen. SAP MDG screens can be accessed either through SAP Enterprise Portal, or through SAP NetWeaver Business Client. The data in approval process is governed by workflows mechanisms. Data during the approval process stays in staging area, and only after validation, it moves in the active area. You can see the various standard data model on the screen, which we have already discussed before, such as financials, material, business partner, and custom objects. Now we will understand how SAP Master Data Governance does the solution deployment, and what are all options available in the system. Customer either choose a dedicated master data hub and distribute to all operative systems, or they co-deploy with an existing SAP ERP and create and distribute master data from there. Now let's see how SAP HANA is integrated with SAP MDG as primary or secondary database. If we installed on F8 for SAP ERP 6.0, SAP MDG can run on SAP HANA as primary database. You can also run SAP HANA side by side, but not for master data consolidation process. As we can see on the screen, some important features we have already discussed. Let's understand how we can be benefited of SAP HANA with MDG. The first concept is based on slice and dice master data. You can filter and analyze the intrinsic structures in your master data. You can also find the attribute values that need company-wide harmonization. SAP MDG works with find concept instead of search concept. Here, only existing attributes and objects are displayed. Now you don't have to just guess the value, you can actually find the real value. SAP MDG is combined with fuzzy search. Search terms and drill down can be used together in the MDG system, with the help of SAP HANA. Here, in this section, we will discuss about hybrid landscapes of SAP Master Data Governance. The key advantage of hybrid landscape is that All systems are always in sync. Master data creation can happen in on-demand systems, on-premise systems, or SAP MDG. The central creation triggers a change process in SAP MDG. After valid approvals, enriched high-quality master data is replicated to the all relevant cloud and on-premise systems. MDG provides out-of-the-box solution, yet adaptable integration feature. This can be implemented based on standard capabilities and synchronization. For example, using extendable SOA services. Any system can be involved as source or target system. Pre-built integration for selected SAP systems can be used. A master data hub, like MDG, that synchronizes master data across on-premise and on-demand solutions, is a prerequisite for your system landscape simplification and for your step-by-step move to the cloud. Now, let's have a look on SAP Master Data Governance Hybris PCM landscape. Here in this landscape, each solutions focus on the integration between the two systems. SAP MDG provides central governance across master data domains for data quality, for use in transactional and analytical systems. Hybris PCM is a product information management or PIM application for the product catalog and e-commerce business support. Let's check some customers' benefit from combining the products. MDG feeds Hybris PCM with trusted data that needed in product catalogs and e-commerce. External data can optionally feed Hybris PCM directly for further enrichment and catalog management, if it is not needed in transactional or analytical systems. Now let's summarize overall SAP Master Data Governance benefits. Up front, central creation of master data enables high data quality and leads to significant business improvements. Out of the box, process-centric applications provide centralized governance for master data domains such as financial data, supplier data, customer data, and material data. Native integration with SAP Business Suite using existing business logic and infrastructure leads to low TCO. SAP MDG provides flexibility, from configurable workflows and extensible data models, up to custom-built applications. Consolidation of master data in any enterprise system landscape delivers best records and key mapping for reliable analytics. Now you have a complete overview about SAP Master Data Governance. We have developed and designed step-by-step process for all functional technical e-learning videos for SAP MDG that will help you to learn quickly. Whether you need help for your organization business support, or you are looking for certifications in SAP MDG, we got your back. Visit our website www.mysapskills.com and find more details. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for all latest updates on e-learning videos. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and stay tuned with our latest news and broadcast. Links are given below in the descriptions. Thanks for watching.
So, I hope you enjoyed our video. To get more information or contact us, please visit our website.